Hi guys, this is the MJ Plush Show, and today this is unboxing video, and I'm not sure why you got it, but let's see. And it's taking a while. Why they put so much tape on the packages? Oh yeah, and guys, on this today, a small earthquake happened in Australia, near Melbourne. So that was something. Oh, it's a Boo Plush ordered. And if you open up the tag, you'll see that it's licensed by Nintendo. Fuck. Licensed by Nintendo. Licensed by Nintendo. It's a nice blue plush with nice white quality. The tongue can go inside its mouth, and it smells so deep. Well, this is gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and